Welcome to CLA Geopolitics. Look at this video.
The next weekend, I will travel to India. There's still work to do, but we are on the cusp of a historic trade agreement. Indeed, some call it the mother of all deals.
This video viral in 4 days ago. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen visit India and how this visit could shape India's economy and geopolitical future of global world. At the center of this discussion lies the long pending India-European Union Free Trade Agreement, means FTA. Why this deal took so long? The India-EU FTA negotiations has been under discussion for more than a decade. However, disagreements over tariff, market access, data protection, lower standards and environmental rules caused repeated delays. Despite several rounds of talk, the deal remained stuck until global geopolitics forced a rethink. Global crisis changed everything. The world today is no longer the same. The US-China trade route followed by Russia-Ukraine conflict has badly shaken global supply chains, especially semiconductor supply chain. Critical sectors like semiconductor, electronics, pharmaceuticals and energy faced massive disruptions. For example, Europe realized that excessive dependence on Chinese manufacturing hub and Russia's energy sector was a strategic mistake. This crisis pushed the EU to reach for new trusted partners like India. So why India become important? From India's point of view, the deal became crucial because of rising economic uncertainty. The United States' aggressive trade policies, higher tariffs and protectionist measures have created pressure on India's domestic market. India needed a stable and large export destination, and the EU fits perfectly. Now, if we think about power of European Union, the European Union is the largest integrated economic bloc in the world. It consists of 27 developed nations with a combined economic value nearly $80 trillion. Access to such a massive market means higher exports, better prices for Indian goods, and long-term economic stability. For Indian exporters, Europe is not just a market, it is a premium market. If we think about how this deal benefited for India's growth after Trump's aggressive mood. After US aggressive mood, India is aiming the fastest growing major economy globally. With a young workforce, expanding manufacturing base and initiatives like Make in India and PLI schemes, India is emerging as a global production hub. This makes India extremely attractive for European investors. If we think about benefit of this FTA, under the India-EU FTA, tariff on Indian products such as textile, pharmaceuticals, automobile and agricultural goods will reduce. Foreign direct investment FDI from Europe will become smoother. Indian companies will get easier access to advanced European technology. For example, Indian textile exporters could directly compete with Chinese products in European markets at lower cost. If we think about geopolitical significance of this FTA is not just economy, it's deeply geopolitical. This importance of this deal increased significantly after Ursula von der Leyen's recent visit to India, which sent a clear political signal. Europe wants to strategically balance with Chinese government, strengthening partnership in the Indo-Pacific region, and India is a central key portion of this policy. If we analyze the impact of US trade pressure on Indian government due to additional tariff imposed by US government, India faced reduced export competitiveness. Pressure on domestic industries increased uncertainty for Indian businesses. This made diversification of trade partners a necessity, not a choice. Export boost for India. An FTA with EU can provide a major boost to Indian exports. like in engineering, goods, IT services, chemicals, and pharmaceutical hub, stand to gain significantly from tariff-free or low tariff access. EU-China tensions and India's opportunity. Recently, EU-China trade relations have been also become tense. Europe has accused China of unfair trade practices, over capacity and supply chain manipulation. Chinese aggressive control over critical supply like semiconductor supply chain alarm European policymakers. As a result, the EU is actively pursuing a China plus one policy. Why India is best alternative for EU? India offer politically stability in government, democratic governance, skilled manpower and large domestic market. Most importantly, India is seen as a reliable and role-based partner. This makes India the most credible alternative to China for Europe. Overall, the India-EU Free Trade Agreement is a win-win but highly strategic deal. For Europe, it ensures supply chain security and geopolitical balance. For India, it delivers export growth, investment inflow, and global influence. This deal has the potential to redefine India's position in the global economic order. What is your opinion? Comment in comment box and subscribe Closed Letter Analysis. Thank you.
Yeah.